Komiti mar od bura mochung'ne weche mag teko kata energy koro dwaro mondo kambi mar keyo teko stima Kenya Power okitayanga winjruoge magisetimo kod kembe mag nyayo teko stima. Jokanyo mag komitino wacho ni moko kuom winjruogego ema omiyo nengo mag teko stima ni malo. Jo od bura dwaro ni mondo onon winjruogego manyien mondo ne ka inyalo witgi oko kata timgi manyien mondo ganda oyud fuongruok.
Can we get all so that we can see the ones that just expired 2 years ago, 1 year ago, how, what was the cost of electricity from those sources and if they can be revived. So let's get all, not just the ones that are operational. Let's get all, Chair, please.
All right.
And then the other point, second point,
okay.
He has provided 3 documents here for only 3 companies. Why not provide the contracts for all the others? You only provided Thika and 2 others. Can we get the additional contracts, please? There are only 21 contracts, so he can provide the additional 18s, please.
I think Imelda Bora, the company secretary for Kenya Power, has undertaken to provide all the PPAs. The structure of a PPA is not a 2-page agreement, Chair, so as requested, allow them to make the several copies for members of this committee. They'll be fairly voluminous. If you think about the structure of 1 PPA and therefore the structure of the 21 PPAs being compiled for every member, we'll possibly be giving every member of parliament some 6, 7, 10 cartons of the PPAs. And then maybe it's more of logistical preparation as opposed to really not being able to provide them this morning. So we'll prepare them and package them properly so that you can deliver by, you said by Friday? By Friday.